Good morning, everybody. Mark Finan here in the home weather office on this Monday morning. It's the first day of May 2023. This is the morning briefing, and as I look out the window from the home office, it is cloudy. It is cooler, still a little breezy from that breeze we had yesterday that brought in the marine layer, and that's the big change. It's 90 degrees on Saturday, mid-70s yesterday. Today, most valley spots are going to struggle to get to 70 degrees, which is well below average. And that's the theme for this week, cooler with occasional rain. I don't think we'll be seeing much in the way of rain today, but I think our rain chances will increase during the day tomorrow and perhaps again on Wednesday. And there's also a non-zero chance of thunderstorms as well. So that's the theme of what I want to talk about this morning, is the chances of showers that we may see over the next couple of days. So let me start with this terrific satellite photo. And as you can see, look at how the clouds on the coast are coming from north to south. You see that flow down there and the low clouds that are along the immediate coast. And then here, higher elevation clouds, they're going from south to north. So we clearly have a low that is developing in here. And then as I zoom in a little bit, let me zoom in on this just a little bit, if it will let me. Well, what we're looking at in here is the low clouds that have been pushed inland. And we have that onshore push, and that's the low cloudiness that is up and down the valley, especially north of Stockton. That is a really solid overcast, but then you get above 2,000 feet in the foothills, and, well, you're out of that. And south of Stockton, you're in bright sunshine as well, but look at the low clouds that are also well down through the Salinas Valley, as well as Southern California. So this is kind of marine layer cloudiness. It'll take a little while to burn off, but it likely will in most areas, giving way to partly cloudy skies. All right, I want to show you the HRRR. So this is a high-resolution model for the chances of showers. Now, the only problem with this is that there tends to be some noise in that. So when you see these little spots in here, yeah, you really don't take those at face value. But as we go through this afternoon, this is at 5 o'clock, there could be some showers in the coast range. I think those are probably real. I don't think we'd see much in the valley, if anything in the valley. At least not until we get into tonight. This is around 10 o'clock tonight. Notice how shower chances are increasing. The showers look a little bit more solid in here, especially these that are north of the Oregon border. So I do think we are going to have some showers develop as we get through the night tonight, but it isn't going to be very much. And when you see the snow developing here in the Sierra above 5,500 feet, that also doesn't look like very much. Let's get into the day on Tuesday. This is Tuesday morning. This is around 7 o'clock in the morning. There are likely going to be showers and some light snow in the Sierra. Maybe enough for chain controls, although that's really iffy. The other thing on Tuesday is, let's see, right in here. These showers may be thunderstorms. The air is going to be cold enough and unstable enough that some of these darker spots that are popping up here on the model, they may be thunderstorms. So while this isn't the greatest setup to get valley thunderstorms, we really can't rule it out, especially if we start to see some sunshine during the middle part of the day. These little guys would pop up into convective showers and the possibility of thunderstorms with some small hail. And here we are on Tuesday night, late Tuesday night. There's low wrapping up off the coast, the flow going this way, the flow this way. So there is the surface low itself. And as we go through the next couple of days, that low will continue to spin off the coast and gradually sink to the south, and it will gradually bring more shower chances our way. So that was the HRRR. I'll show you the NAM nest. This tends to be even noisier, but it's another model showing you the same thing. This is late tonight, late Monday night, kind of showing you showers in the same areas. And then on Tuesday, once again showing the possibility of some thunderstorms, these areas of yellow in here, these little spots, that's the possibility of thunderstorms, as you can see, as well as better activity in the Sierra. A little bit of extra lift in the Sierra may help. And then here too, you can see the low spinning around here off the coast and gradually moving inland. And since it isn't going to be moving very fast, we're going to be able to keep chances of showers in on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But I'll tell you, the chances of rain and the amounts of rain just look so light. This gets you through Wednesday night, and this is total precipitation accumulation. And as I scroll over this, the numbers may be hard to read, but over the valley, it's spitting out less than 1/10 of an inch of rain. Parts of the Coast Range, Lake County, it's spitting out more than an inch. Parts of the Sierra, about 1/2 inch of water. Some of that would be some slushy snow, but there just isn't going to be much precipitation here. So this isn't one of those cases where we know there's going to be a band of rain that moves through and it's going to rain for 6 or 8 hours. We're going to get a half an inch of rain. It's not that. Instead, we have chances of showers, as you just saw. It rains for a half an hour at your house, and then it may not rain for the next day and a half. It may not rain at your house at all. I know that's not a very helpful forecast, but that's what we're stuck with at this point, is that cooler weather, chances of showers, and temperatures staying well below average. As I mentioned, the average high for this time of year is now 78 degrees, and instead we're going to be struggling to make 70 degrees throughout this week. Eventually, this pattern will be changing in the month of May, but at least it looks as though somewhere around at least the next 10 days, we'll be seeing temperatures below average. So the warm weather we've had is gone. Cooler weather is back for a little while, and that's what we'll be having for the rest of this week. That's everything I've got for you this morning. I will be on KCRA tonight at 4, 5, 6, and 7. As well as later on tonight at 10 and 11. The 10 o'clock, of course, is on My 58. And let's see, no Facebook tonight. There will be a Facebook Live on Tuesday night at 8 o'clock. So that's your Monday morning briefing. Make it a great day. I'll talk to you later.